I'm going to make some corrections on the week 1, lab 1 assignment. Let's look at some of the small corrections that I'm going to adjust. The first thing that I want to look at is in each one of the columns where I have package A, package B, C, D, and total. I can see that the heading 3 style was indeed applied, which is great. But now I want to select these cells, and on the ribbon on the Home tab, I want to do a center alignment. Now I see that in column F, row 12, I'm missing the sum function. I can manually enter in this function, or I can start by selecting column F, row 5, through the range of column F, row 11. I'll want to select the Formulas tab, and in the Auto Sum pull-down arrow, I'll select the sum function. Now when I select column 5, row 12, I can see my sum function is included here. Let's look at the chart. I'm actually going to remove this chart by right-clicking on it and selecting Cut. Let's start with the chart from the beginning. I'm going to actually select all of my data starting in column A, row 5, and select all of the data over to column F, row 11. Now I'm going to select the Charts tab, and from the pie chart, I can select a 3D pie chart. When I select that, I'm able to now see the states with the color coding associated. Remember, in the ribbon, there's various different formats in how I can display that data. But now I'm able to actually see the states along with the data for each one of those packages. Lastly, I need to move this chart to a new sheet. I can see my cursor has the 4-way arrows. I can right-click on that chart and select Move Chart. I'm moving my chart to an object that's in the worksheet that I'm currently on. I'm going to go ahead and move it to, for now, Sheet 2. I'll select OK. Sheet 2 now has my chart. The Yearly Sales tab now has all of my data. Sheet 2, I can now look for getting the 2-way arrows and expand my chart. I now can double click and rename Sheet 2 and give Sheet 2 a tab color as well. Just some of the quick little corrections to walk through a few of those little missing things in the Lab 1 assignment.